Today we have a small rechargeable keychain flashlight. It charges normally and the light works right after charging. But if we leave it for a while, the charge drains automatically. Since the battery is unlikely to be the problem, there might be an issue in the circuit. So let's open it up and see if we can fix it. It's a big LED and maybe a bad battery. First, we are going to disconnect battery and replace it with a good battery. Let's measure the negative and positive. This one positive, this one negative. Let's see what our multimeter say. Negative and positive. What the circuit says, this one positive. Let's connect the charger and check the voltage. This one positive, this one negative. Means the battery is, I don't know. In the battery shows negative polarity. So we have to change our battery. Let's see if we have any similar battery. Oh, this one is bad. This one is good. This one will not fit in here. We don't need this. Rubber, positive and negative. Yes, it works. Here is our battery with new wire and it will go positive to positive, negative to negative. So the issue was actually the battery. We replaced it with a new one and now this little keychain flashlight works perfectly.